Hey folks, looking forward to get this unboxed with you today. This is my new laptop. It is an ASUS Zenbook S13, one of the newer models. So we'll get it out of the box, take a look at it, and then I'll run through the specs with you as well. Now, 13 inch is obviously not a huge laptop, and what I've seen, this is actually really thin as well. So probably the smallest laptop I am ever going to have owned so far. And yeah, lots of cardboard packaging here. Let's go ahead and take a first look. Nope, I'm not using this for retail display, so I'm not going to need that. And out comes the laptop. Just a bit of documentation. Of course, we do also get the power adapter. Something I am excited about for this laptop as well is that you can just connect this to any like USB-C power port as long as it can support up to 100 watts of power. So yeah, there we have a standard USB-C cable for charging. A little bag here with the plug, and then what I'm assuming is the USB-C adapter plug. Yep, so that just goes onto the plug here. And yes, this is one heck of a small laptop. The ASUS Zenbook S13, again one of the newer models. Let's go through the specs for this one. So this uses the Intel Ultra, one of the new Intel Ultra 7 series CPUs, the 155U. It has 16 gigabytes of memory, and it has a 1 terabyte PCI Express 4 NVMe drive. And I don't seem to have any power out of the box. Nope, I think I need to plug this in. There we go. We've got some power now. USB-C cable, I love that. Okay, where was I? Oh yes, in terms of the ports, you've got an HDMI port and 2 USB Type-C Thunderbolt version 4 ports. So that's going to be great for your high-speed data transfer, for video out if you want to connect additional monitors. And of course, if you want to connect any hubs, then those Thunderbolt 4 ports are going to be able to handle it all. And on this side, we have an audio, which is useful for both mics and headsets, and also USB Type A. And despite the screen being just 13.3 inches, the diagonal measurement, it's a 2.8K resolution screen, which is just fantastic. And it's OLED as well. So absolutely stunning image, even just here with the Windows setup. It looks incredible in person. I know that won't be captured on camera, but to me, that is just phenomenal. And what's pretty cool as well with the design is that the screen itself also serves as a bit of a stand for the back of the laptop. So it gives you a little bit of lift on the keyboard, and the trackpad is a decent size as well. Now, there's no fingerprint sensor on this model, but it does have Windows Hello. So technically, I just need to look at the camera here. And there we go, it will sign in automatically. Very quick process. Now, I've only just set this up, so I haven't really put it through its paces, but something that I'm actually not a big fan of is the fact this has McAfee installed. Ugh, comes pre-installed, and I just know from experience that's going to be an absolute pain to remove. Probably going to have to get the McAfee removal tool. But other than that, I think the laptop is, so far off initial first impressions, going to be just what I need. But guys, please stop putting intrusive software on like McAfee. Nobody wants that pre-installed, so why do you even do it? But folks, hopefully this unboxing and first look at the ASUS Zenbook S13 has been helpful to you. Thanks for checking out the video, and I'll catch you next time.